This is how to connect your iPhone to a Nissan Pathfinder in less than 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure that your Bluetooth on your device is turned on. You can do this in settings or through the drop-down menu. Next, turn the vehicle on. Give that home screen a moment to load, and while it's loading, go ahead and pull up your settings and find the Bluetooth tab. Now, in the middle of the screen on the Pathfinder, you can find Connections, and you'll click Add New directly above that. Now, on your phone, you will find My Pathfinder in the Bluetooth connection menu. Again, that's going to be in your main settings. Click My Pathfinder and a pairing request will pop up. Simply confirm that both of these numbers are the same and hit pair on your device. Now you will see your phone's population on the main screen of the Pathfinder. You can also add multiple devices to your vehicle, and you can toggle the phone settings directly from that menu as well. And if you don't want your device to be paired anymore, you can simply delete the device. Don't worry, now that you know how to pair it, you can put it back on anytime. CarPlay may be an option for you. We'll go over this in a separate video. Thanks for watching. If you have more questions, give us a call today. We'll be happy to help.